Good morning, scholars. It is Monday, April 20th. We're going to focus on long U this week, spelled E-W. Let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. Why is my Viking longship sailing into my spelling lesson? These Vikings, they like to go everywhere and be in everything. I'm just going to have this ship sail away into our history section of our lesson. All right, newspaper review. So EW spells long U sound. Focus on EW. I do a quick look and I say, oh, EW is in every single word. So this week when I spell these words, I'm going to make sure that I am adding the letters EW. Let's take a look at our checklist. Read the pattern words fast. I can do that. So if you want to, stand up if you've been sitting for a while, and let's read the pattern words fast. Are you ready? Let's begin. Drew, knew, few, through, chewed, blew, flew, grew, newspaper, view, review, chewy, interview, crew, and stew. Oh, this one almost got me. All right, right away I noticed that 2 and 3 sounded exactly the same. New and new. So we have a set of homophones. We're going to have to figure out what they are and when to use them. Okay, I'm going to check that off. I already did it. Underline, so I'm going to tell myself to underline the EW in each word. Really important to know what it is that you are doing. So I'm going to go through and I'm just going to underline drew, new, few. I'm going to let you continue to do that on your own. Let's take a look at our next section. All in the past. All right, past tense. Some words are made past tense by adding ED. We know that. Other words are made past tense by using a different word. Oh, this looks important. Past tense, and they've already put different in italics. So I'm just going to underline that twice. By using a different form of the word. This type of past tense are called irregular past tense. These are some of the oldest words in the English language. They have been around for hundreds of years. So we're going to pay super attention to those and we're going to figure out what they are and what they mean. So write the past tense, which means happened in the past, of each word in this table. So here's our table. Let's take a look at it. And they already did one for us. I will draw a picture. I drew a picture. Happened in the past. I did it an hour ago. I did it yesterday. I did it last week. Present tense. I know how to do my spelling work. I know. I know, something that would mean I knew. Ooh, I knew it. I knew or I knew it. Well, I'm going to go with the KN spelling of new because this has a KN spelling for no. In the old days, they would have actually said those Ks and it would have been canoe. I can know it. I canoe it. But now we just say it as a silent letter. I know how to do my spelling work. I knew how to do my spelling work. So I'm going to write new right here. I'm going to see it, say it, hear it, and write it. Feed my brain 4 ways. Are you ready? Let's begin. K-N-E-W. I'm starting all my letters at the top so they're nice and neat. If you are still having trouble making your letters, that is what you need to do. I knew. Let's do one more together. Our second word is throw. I will throw the ball to my partner. Throw. So if I did it yesterday, I wouldn't say I throwed the ball. Let's take a look. Drew, knew, few, threw. That looks right. I threw the ball to my partner yesterday. So I'm going to write through. Okay, are you ready? Let's spell through for through the ball. T-H, there's a digraph, T-H-R-E-W, through. And you should feel your tongue come out when you say through. All right, we'll do one more. I'm feeling in a good mood today. Grow, I wanted to say crow, that's not right. Grow. I will grow vegetables in my garden. I will, chewed, blew, flew, grew. Ooh, I will grow vegetables. I grew vegetables. You wouldn't say I growed them. I growed vegetables. No, that's just wrong. I grew vegetables in my garden. So over here, I'm going to feed my brain 4 ways. See it, say it, hear it, and write it. You ready? Let's begin. Grew. G, it's a rule breaker. R-E-W, grew. And you're going to continue and finish filling in this table with the present tense, happening now, and the past tense, this irregular past tense words, brand new words, happened in the past. All right, let's take a look down here at our heartwords. They are called heartwords because we have to know them by heart. They do not sound the way they are spelled, or they are not spelled the way they sound. Now, some of these you might be familiar with from 1st grade, so it's kind of a review. Let's read them together. Family, favorite, friend. Now, family, a good way to remember family is to remember this mnemonic device, which are just devices that help us remember words or groups of words. Like sometimes when we spell because, we say babies eat carrots and usually something else. Or some people say soggy eggs. Family has one too. I'm just going to write it down here. Father and mother I love you. Put an exclamation point there. Now I'm going to go back and underline. You can see the beginning of each of these words spells family. Father and mother, I love you. And I'm going to draw an arrow from family down to that. If you need help spelling that, or you can just memorize it. Family, F-A-M-I-L-Y. You might even say family, so you can remember it. So father and mother, I love you. Another one that has a useful tip in it is this end. I am your friend till the very end, because sometimes we flip these two vowels. So if you just remember, the end of friend is the word end. I am your friend till the end. All right, so you're going to answer these 3 sentences today, and that is all you have to do. But let's take a look and see which heart word has end in it, which heart words have 3 syllables. That's important. You're going to have 2 of them. They gave us 2 lines. And then you're going to write the words in ABC order. We've been doing that a lot lately. They all begin with an F. So we got to look at the second letter. Then we have 2 A's and an R. So the A's are before the R. So with these 2 A words, I have to go to the next letter, which is an M and a V. Which one of those comes first in the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So M, my first word is probably family then, and then you can figure the other ones out. Well, I'm going to stop there. I hope you enjoy learning about our long U spelled E-W, and remember, Every one of our words, pattern words this week, is going to have the two letters EW in it. Until then, go out and do great works.